Okay, so we need to get in the tractor. Oh, hi guys, it's here. Welcome back to a new video. We are probably going to be mowing some grass for the cattle. We have to get some hay for them. We have to bale it up with the baler. So we're gonna go down there and pick up right now and see about mowing it. What we're gonna be mowing is over here a little bit, around the house, and building that up a little bit over here. I don't think that grass is ready yet. So we'll probably also mowing a little bit on the sides of the fields. This tractor really is going fast, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, so we finally made it here, and this is the mower that we're using now. It's Caverland. It's from the UK. I don't remember. Some guy we bought it off of said that he's gonna drop down at the dealership and we can just come down here and pick it up. Now, I don't know why you would use this. He lived in America, though, is my problem. Though I've seen him driving on the left a few times and didn't even realize it because he's so used to it. But after a while, we start realizing what it's doing. Anyways, so we need to get this thing back down to the place. So what I think I'm going to do is at the edge of our field, just mow it down a little bit, get some streaks going, and then possibly just deciding whether or not where we should bale. Actually, you know what? We should actually probably mow on the side of the field. Like, I think right here along. Here, let's check the map. Yeah, right over here we own that, between these fields right here. So what we're going to do is unfold this and be careful not to get the tractor stuck here. So you can see now that we're mowing, and enjoy the time lapse of us doing this. Alright, so we finally finished this up, so I think we're gonna do is just, yeah, no, we shouldn't drive, no, we can, yeah, so what we need to do now is go over there and hook up to the windrow and put these all in a piles in straight lines so we can come back and just do all that. Now we may end up having to do a lot more tomorrow than today because I think the sun's getting to that point where it's going down. Also, don't think this tractor's meant for this. I think this tractor is mainly meant for just stuff like that, augers and stuff. So let's just get this thing through the gate. There we go. Alright, so now let's try to the other. Ooh, shoot. Watch the cows. Alright, so what I think I'll do is just leave this right here. And so putting it back where I should put it, I'll think of that later with all the other planters and stuff. So let's see, what should we do? Shoot, almost passed up. Okay, so, oh shoot, is there a tractor connected to it? Crap. Alright, so this is basically all wheels, so I think we can just push this back a little bit, so, okay, oh shoot, okay, let's see, okay, so I thought, this is gonna be a pain in the butt, so, let's see, let's do this, okay, oh shoot. Now then, let's just attach from that. Now let's just, I'm gonna do the thing. Alright, so now let's just back up out of here. Should actually probably move that tractor so we can get out. Alright, so there we go. Now let's just turn down this way. Yeah, there we go. We made it through that. Oh, shoot. Barely grazed that cow. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. Well, anyway. So now what we have to do is just get through here. But okay, so it seems that this field will not allow us to drive through with it. You can see there that we kind of got stuck. So I think I'll do is use the 8410 since it's probably what we're gonna have to do. And I think the hitch on this will pick it up higher or a little higher. Shoot. And I think the hitch on this will pick up a little higher and let them will straighten out. Yeah, there we go. That's probably what we should be using on this. It seems a little overpowered for it. I don't know. Oh well. So we're almost there. We'll get in position to unfold it and then do a few rows. We shouldn't be able to do that many since this isn't really a field, much more of a little area. So let's just turn it. Yep, there we go. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we have it all piling up right now. So let's just start a little out. Alright, so we have it piling up right now. I'll get back to you guys whenever it's finished. Okay, so we finally finished that, and what we need to do now is go unhook this and put it where we should. And we do need to probably water the animals, and we did buy a water thing, trout thing, if you didn't already see it there. So we may have to continue this video tomorrow, so we can go bale the hay. So that's probably what we're gonna do. So I'll cut the camera and see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so now that we can just hook this up. Alright guys, so I didn't realize the camera was rolling already. So press the button, but I didn't realize it was already rolling. So what we need to do is get in here in this tight spot and hook up to the baler. So the hay is dry and everything. I just hope a lot of it didn't blow away. It was wet, and that was why it kind of went from dark to a little lighter color. So what we need to do now is go through here and go down the road to it. So I'm pretty sure this is what the baler's made for on this. I'm not totally sure, but I think I'm right. Alright, so let's just go ahead and lower the pickup, and we'll start on this row right here. Alright, so there we go. Now these bells are 8,000, so they should hold a lot more than base game bells. There. or 6 times. I don't remember. I think it's 8. Alright, so I wasn't expecting this to be so fast, but it turned into hay. I knew that it was going to do this, so I didn't expect it to do it so fast. It was just a little strange that it would just instantly turn to hay. So we're just almost finished here, and we just have a little bit more left here. So let's just hurry up and do this. Alright, so there we go. Now, almost finished. And we're probably have to continue this tomorrow. And yeah. We are basically somewhat finished. Let's just get these little parts. Right here, and this. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is leave the tractor here, and in the video. Bye.